Hello everyone. Our next topic of data science series is exploratory data analysis, in which we covers the topic how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python, how to construct contingency table using Python, how to construct histogram with overlay, how to perform binning based on predictive values. So we discuss about exploratory data analysis. First, we discuss what is exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis (EDE) in Python is the process of analyzing and summarizing the main characteristic of a dataset using statistical and visualization technique. It helps data scientists and analysis understand the structure of data, detect pattern, identify anomalies, and uncover relationship between variables before applying machine learning models or statistical analysis. Python provides libraries for performing exploratory data analysis efficiently, including pandas, numpy, matplotlib, cburn, and plotly. Our next topic is construct a bar graph with overlay using Python. To construct a bar graph with overlap, to construct a bar graph with an overlay in Python, we can use the matplotlib and cburn libraries. A typically used a case for an overlay bar graph is when you want to compare two or more categorical variable on the same axis, usually step by step or step. So we take example of how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python. So, first we import pandas and matplotlib libraries and cburn library to construct a bar graph. So we firstly import a matplotlib library and cburn library in our code. Then we take a sample data category value 1 and value 2, and then creates a data frame, df equals to pd dot data frame, and then data plotting the overlay bar ग्राफ एंड देन हमने यहाँ पे साइज दे दिया, फिक्स साइज दे दिया हम लोगों ने, फिगर साइज 8,6। एंड देन फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, हम प्लॉट बार्स फ्रॉम वैल्यू 1 एंड वैल्यू 2 के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे बार ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रहे हैं। वैल्यू 1 की वैल्यूज क्या है, 10, 15, 7, 10 एंड 18, एंड वैल्यू 2 की वैल्यूज क्या है, 5, 8, 12, 6 एंड 14। तो हम इन दोनों वैल्यूज के लिए यहाँ पे हम बार ग्राफ कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं। सो बार ग्राफ को प्लॉट करने के लिए हम प्लॉट डॉट शो फंक्शन का यूज करेंगे, और अभी मैं आपको यहाँ पे इस कोड को रन करके दिखाती हूँ। तो दिस इज द आउटपुट ऑफ अवर कोड। यहाँ पे वैल्यू 1 और वैल्यू 2 के लिए हमारा बार ग्राफ कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गया है। ओके, नाउ वी मूविंग फर्दर। Next topic is construct a contingency table using Python. A contingency table, also known as a cross tabulation or cross tab, is a table used to summarize the relationship between two categorical variable. It shows the frequency counts of different combination of values from two categorical variables, helps us to explore potential relationship or dependency between them. In Python, we can construct a contingency table using the pandas library, specifying using the pd.crosstab function. So we take an example of constructing a contingency table using Python. To construct a contingency table, we firstly import the pandas library, and then we take a data, sample data, gender and purchases. Okay, then we create a data frame, construct the contingency table, and then display the contingency table. We can run this code, and then this is the output of construct a contingency table. Okay, in which three purchases and yes or no and gender. Okay, so our next topic is construct histogram with overlay using Python. Constructing histogram with an overlay in Python allows you to visualize the distribution of multiple datasets on the sample plot. By overlaying histogram, You can compare the distribution of different groups or variables. We take an example of constructing histogram with overlap using Python. To construct a histogram, we firstly import the matplotlib and cburn libraries and numpy libraries. Okay, then we take a sample data, generate random data from two different distribution. Okay, प्लॉटिंग द हिस्टोग्राम विथ ओवरलैप. यहाँ पे भी हमने फिक्स साइज सेट कर लिया है 10,6. प्लॉट द फर्स्ट हिस्टोग्राम एंड देन सेकेंड हिस्टोग्राम. ओके, कस्टमाइज द डेटा प्लॉट्स एंड देन शो द डेटा प्लॉट्स. शो हमने डेटा प्लॉट्स को शो करने के लिए प्लॉट डॉट शो करके फंक्शन बनाया जिससे हमारा प्लॉट शो हो जाएगा. और ये हमारा अभी आउटपुट, यस हाँ, ये हमारा आउटपुट है हिस्टोग्राम विथ ओवरलैप. This is the output for about code. About code. Okay. Our next topic is binning based on predictive values using Python. Binning is a data pre-processing technique used to transfer continuous variable into categorical ones by grouping values into predefined intervals or bins. It is often used to prepare data from machine learning models by simplifying complex continuous data, making it easier to interpret. Binning based on predictive values means creating bins based on the target variables or predictive features rather than just fixed intervals or ranges. Uh, Next is steps for binning based on predictive values. Predictive values. First one is identify the predictive feature. Choose the feature that you want to bin based on its relationship with the target variable. Second step is selecting select binning method. Used variable strategies like unique equal width binning, equal frequency binning, or binning based on a target variable using a supervised method. The third one is create bins. Define the binning strategies, for example, by dividing the data into specific intervals or categories. The fourth is analyzing the result. Ensures that the bins helps in making the model more effective based on performance metrics matrices. We take example of performing binning based on predictive values using Python. To perform a binning based on predictive value, we first import the pandas, numpy, and plotlib and cburn libraries, and then we take a sample data age and purchases column. ठीक है, age and purchases, create data frames equal frequency based on age, and then fit the transform the age features. Visualize the binning dataset and display the data frame for binning values. We run this code and our output will be, yes, binning age versus purchases. Okay, this is the output of about code. Okay, thank you for watching this video.